Hey guys, want to do a little video on this truck. This is the third Ranger I bought. This one's a 2000. But basically I bought it just because it had these wheels on. This is the same wheels the other one originally had on it, and this one has brand new tires on it. So I basically paid right about what the wheels and tires were worth to me. It was a pretty clean truck. It was just recently wrecked. I bought it from the original owner. It originally came out of Texas. The guy bought it brand new. He wrecked it on a Friday, and I bought it that following week. I'm going to try to attach a picture of it, what it looked like. But basically, the radiator support was pushed into the engine. This fender was fairly well wadded up, and the bumper was just about flipped upside down. Well, this fender really wasn't bad. It was slightly bent on the corner right here, but it got shoved into the door, and then the guy opened the door up into it, so the fender's pretty much junk. It can be fixed. I got it over here. I'll let you see it. But you can see it's where he opened the door up in it, and it might just be easier just to replace it. The other fender was undamaged. Of course, that's all the radiator and the condenser and the bumper. Those were all bangled pretty good. But what I did was, it was pushed back into the fan so hard that it actually bent the fan. It bent the shaft on the clutch fan. It was probably, the radiator support was probably about right here. Anyways, I basically just hooked it to my tractor. I got a small little Yanmar utility tractor, just hooked it over here and just pulled right out, and then I hooked it here a couple times and at the top and just pulled it out. You want to try to do that to get everything else back where it originally was. More or less, it's pulled out almost where it needs to be, a little further than it needs to be, but I guess I'm just going to go ahead and fix this up and resell it. Once I get the wheels off it, I'll put the other wheels I have on it and make somebody a decent truck. I don't have hardly anything in it. I'm going to be able to use the condenser, the radiator, the fan, and the hood off of my other parts truck because I won't be needing it. I bought a brand new radiator support for it. I think it was $65. Both inner fenders I should be able to straighten. They're not too bad. Matter of fact, when I pulled it out, they pretty much straightened out. I hate just to part it out. It runs excellent. I mean, I'll show you. I haven't started this truck up in at least 2 weeks, and I know it'll fire right up. I mean, let's see here. I say that. Watch it catch me in the lie. No, it fired right up, as you can see. Fired right up, which I can't leave it running long because it doesn't have any coolant in it, but fired right up, no smoke. I just can't see me letting this truck go to waste, so I'm gonna clean it up and make a decent truck out of it, and I'll make a couple more videos out of it. But yeah, I'm actually gonna fix up one of the parts trucks, and I'm pretty familiar with drilling these out by now. So I think once I get that replaced, it'll just be a matter of putting it back together. I will have to buy a bumper. I don't have a bumper. I need the driver's side headlight. I need a grill. I need a header panel, and probably this fender. I'm gonna use the hood off the parts truck. This hood was tacoed, but I straightened it out some, but it's weak. I don't think it'll make a good hood. It doesn't look terrible, but you can see right there, it was pretty much half right there. I think I'll use the burgundy hood on it and just get the hood and just fender painted and the header panel. And anyways, maybe I'll make enough off of it to pay for the other two. We'll see. Anyways, there it is. And thanks for watching.